Hey, I'm Andy. Let me ask you this. Are you planning to change your old washing machine? Check out the following review video, and you'll thank me after that.
COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. 0.9 cu.ft compact washer with LED display. 5 wash cycles, 2 built-in rollers, space-saving full automatic washer. Ideal laundry for RV, dorm, apartment, magnetic gray. The full automatic washing machine equipped with heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak 5 programs in 3 water levels. You are allowed to quickly start the machine the way you like. You are also welcome to customize your washing program by selecting load size, adding wash time, rinse time, and spin time. This top-load compact washing machine with only 18.1 inches in width, 17.7 inches in depth, and 31.5 inches in height, this portable washer is able to be stored easily. You can store it in your cabinet, RV, dorm, or even bathtub. Even better, it comes with wheels and handles for easy movement. It is a perfect choice for small households with limited space and minimal optimal. With the transparent lid design, this washing machine allows you to see and monitor the water and washing conditions. Featuring a durable rust-resistant steel inner tub, lint filter, water inlet and drain pump which allows you to easily drain out dirty water. In addition, this portable laundry washing machine has an LED display that shows the time left to finish. This compact design washing machine has DOE Department of Energy certificate that clearly shows how much energy would be consumed on national average conditions, saving as much as 87.5% energy consumption comparing to similar models. It equips with a powerful and durable motor, up to 700 RPM spin speed, but quiet when running. Unbalance could be a very serious issue for washing machines. It could cause washing machine to dance on the floor, or even worse, to unleash itself from the water inlet, leaking everywhere. Equipped with auto unbalance detection, Australian dollars, however, it's able to automatically fix the unbalance issue through allowing more water to come in. It will also alert the user if the problem can't be fixed, ensuring a safe end.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.